They look magnificent. No wonder majority of tourists visiting Uganda are coming in their droves to see the mountain gorilla. Last year, Bwindi National Park raised 65% of the total revenue collected by the Uganda Wildlife Authority.
Actually, the recent census gave us 340 gorillas in Bwindi alone. But we are using 81 of them for tourism. The rest are just there in the wild, living a normal life.
Although strong and powerful, gorillas are generally gentle and shy. They have a slow rate of reproduction, and this makes this species even more threatened. In a 40 to 50-year lifetime, a female might have only 2 to 6 living offsprings. In fact, hasn't it been for the intervention and dedication of a few people, the mountain gorilla would be extinct. The continued protection, monitoring and management of the mountain gorilla and its habitat demands huge commitment. The biggest threat to mountain gorillas is forest clearance. To solve this problem, the Uganda Wildlife Authority donates part of the revenue collected to the local community. And now the community see gorillas as a means of livelihood. We have many organizations that are helping us, and our lives have greatly improved. After chimpanzees, gorillas are the closest living relatives to humans and can catch human diseases like scabies and tuberculosis. Because gorillas have not developed the necessary immunity, first-time exposure to an illness or virus may devastate an entire population. Any human contact is potentially harmful, and that's why the park has a set of rules for visitors. For example, visitors must keep a minimum of 7 meters from the gorillas. And to minimize on behavior disturbance and exposure to disease, only a maximum number of 8 people can visit a group of gorillas a day. In Bwindi, the Conservation for Public Health has a gorilla clinic that is run by a veterinary surgeon and a lab technician. The veterinary doctor has trained rangers to collect any unusual-looking gorilla droppings. If a disease is detected, the whole group is treated against infection. Poaching has also been greatly minimized with increased security in the park. However, a lot of support is still needed to protect the endangered gorilla as well as its habitats. Agnes Asimwe, NTV Tonight.